Topology 1.2. Another example, say x equal to a comma b comma c, tau is what? From a connected space. If it is a connected space, what will be the tau? From a disconnected space. If it is a disconnected space, what about the tau? So there are some examples. Let's see. Say x equal to a b c, tau is what? From a connected space. So connected space means we have to find out all the non-empty subset of this tau. All will be not disconnected. So since if you take x a comma b, so if you take these two are non-empty and intersection will be a, that is non-empty, and union will be a comma b, not x. Therefore it is not disconnected. But connectedness we have to go through all the sets. So a and a comma c also works similar, and if you take these two also work as similar. So we can say x is connected set and x comma tau is a connected space. So these are the example: x pi a comma b, a comma c. So we know the disconnectedness definition: a is non-empty, b is non-empty, open set, any two open set, and a intersection b will be disjoint, a union will be x. Similarly, intersection or union is enough to show connectedness. So we don't need to show all the factors. One is enough for this to show the connectedness. From a disconnected space, we can say tau is will be x pi a b comma c. So let's check. Let's take these two sets a comma b comma c. We can say these two are non-empty set, open set as well. This is already a topology, therefore it is open set. A intersection b and this b comma c will be empty, and union also a comma b comma c, x. Therefore two sets are okay, so we don't need to go through other. X is disconnected, so x comma tau is a disconnected space. So there are some notes, that is, when we take the first pair, if it is disconnected we can stop. If not, if commas connected, we need to check all the pairs. So at the first side, if it is connected, it is okay. So if it is not disconnected, we have to go through any other possibility, or otherwise only we can say this is connected. Similarly, there is another note. Say if you have the subset tau of x is equal to x pi a b comma c, b a comma b. So like this. So still this is disconnected, since we can find one pair. Okay, if you have more than I have decided these four only. If you have more set also, we can conclude that disconnected. Why? Because we already found two, no? Including these two, if you find any other subsets also, if it is under topology, it is okay. It is a disconnected one as well. Now say another example. This is functions. Let's see. Under the function, let's see, x equal to a comma b comma c. Sigma is equal to x y comma pi a comma c, y is equal also a comma b comma c. F is a function x comma tau 2, y comma theta. F of a is equal to b, f of b is equal to c, f of c equal to a. Therefore f inverse of b is equal to a, f inverse of c is equal to b, f inverse of a is equal to c. Now if you find for a what we have, for y we will have the x, that is okay. Similarly pi also pi. If you find a comma c, we will have b comma a, because f of a will be c, f of c will be b, so c b comma a. So b comma a is, so we need to include that b comma a, and c, so f inverse of c will be b. So f of a will be c. Why? Since f inverse of a is equal to c. So these are the possibilities: x, pi, b comma a, c. So we have some more open set as well. So if is continuous, then these are holes.